Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel the subscription of FaceApp. So let's get started. So to cancel the subscription of FaceApp, you have to follow this easy step. So here we will just go to the FaceApp. So as you can see, here is the FaceApp. So I will just press and hold it here. Just click that I button. So here we will see the info. So here you have to go back and then you have to open it again. So here you have to just go and log in into your premium account. Okay, then you have to open your Google Play Store. Just open here and go to payments and settings. Just go here, and from here you can just click on remove and confirm the remove. So by this way you can cancel the subscription of FaceApp. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.